want me to say anything?
Go ahead.
You want me to say anything?
Did you just build this today?
Yeah.
Okay.
Want me to say anything?
Go ahead, say something.
Like what? Can I just throw it?
Say your name, how old you are.
This is Alex.
Alex Hager, you're how old?
7 years old.
And you just built a paper airplane? And you're gonna launch it in Lehigh Acres, Florida.
And this is what it looks like.
Okay, all right, got it.
This is you might want to.
Yeah.
And this is how it flies.
Wow.
That was fail number 1.
Okay.
This is try number 2. Hopefully it goes far.
Good.
That was fail 2. Let me go get another one.
Go. Yeah, I didn't see it. Oh my God.
Okay, go.
Throw it back at me.
What?
Throw it back towards me. See what happens.
That's not that fun. Wait.
Go ahead, you can throw it. Beautiful.
Okay, I'm gonna throw it. I'm throwing it, Papa John.
That's pretty good.
John,
Yeah.
you have a ladder?
No. The wind will knock it off. Don't worry about it. Great.
Oh, really, Papa John? You're gonna try and edit it? Alex's video is already messed up.
Wow.
Want me to throw this one?
Yeah.